My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake human verification alerts that come from the site News-lozaru.cc. This is a deceptive site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. The site displays fake human verification alerts. It tells you to click on this special Allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot, but to click on Allow is risky and dangerous. If you do that, you may be brought to some other deceptive sites of this similar nature, and you will keep facing the great portion of advertisements displayed in the form of push notifications. These ads will be displayed in the right part of your computer screen. And such ads may be pretty filthy. They may display some content not suitable for some categories of people. And these ads may also point you to many shady and deceptive websites. To deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site, News-lozaru.cc, from the list. Also remove any other junk sites from the list if you find them. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.